Concerned citizens of oil-producing communities on Thursday 27th do one talk session with Tori people for Benin City. Osage Osaon come throw salute give President Tinubu sake of say he listen to them and come dissolve the illegal NDDC board. Osage Osaon come talk say if federal government wan appoint rep, make dem appoint person wey dey from one of the oil-producing communities.
Good day, gentlemen of the press. Some time ago, we came to cry out, thank God for the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, listened to our plights, and he answered us. We are back again, like Oliver Twist is always asking for more. Yes, of a truth, we came the other time to request that an EDG or somebody from the oil-producing community in Edo State should be appointed as the next commissioner or rep in the board of Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC. And that's why we are out again today. So we want to first of all commend the president for listening to us and dissolving the illegal board that was set up. Today, we want to still reiterate and appeal to the conscience of Mr. President that he should listen to us by appointing somebody from the oil-producing community in Edo State as the next rep in the coming board that is about to be set up. Furthermore, the reason why Nigeria is called the second largest gas deposit in the whole world, we are second after Venezuela, is Nigeria that is second. And the reason why Nigeria is number 2 is because of the gas deposit in urban oil field. Am I right?
Yes.
So that is why Nigeria, even the flow station that is carrying gas from here to Abuja is sited in urban oil field at Oriom local governments. We don't see the reason why the people there, they are being marginalized, or people in Ubaoka or the Via Northeast who also have oil. But even at that, if you go to history, memory lane, you will discover that in these communities where they have oil, they have doctors, they have engineers, they have all it takes. They've never been appointed. And they are the one that is laying the golden egg. So we want to appeal to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We want to appeal to Comrade Adams Aliyu Somole. We want to appeal to every sons of Edo who has imputes to this, that it is time somebody from the oil producing community be given a fair hearing, a first right of refusal, or should be appointed as the next NDDC commissioner in Edo State.
Kola Edokpayi come talk say federal government need to look into the matter of people where they give appointments.
I want to align myself with the submission of my brother from the terminus Aqua to the terminus Aqua. You are fully aware that NDDC is an intervention agency that is charged with the responsibility of providing lasting solution to the socio-economic imbroglio bedeviling the oil-producing communities. If you take a look at the first origo of those that have been appointed as the rep, they are those that are exacerbating the development of the underdevelopment of the oil-producing communities. We that are from the oil-producing communities, we are just as if we are living very close to the river while we are using saliva to wash our hands. This is absolutely antithetical to reality. I want to submit very laconically that as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, inaugurates the NDDC board, he should take cognizance of representatives from the oil-producing communities, not these deadwood politicians who are agents of underdevelopment. We need development in Oriomo. We need development in Ovia Northeast. We need development in Ubobaoka. But at the end of the day, people will not pick up arms and engage in militancy like our brothers in the other part of the state. I want to say that he that must come to equity must come with clean hands. We need those with clean hands to be appointed. We are watching. Like my brother rightly said, we have transmitted the formal letter to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We are very, very optimistic that the President will do justice to our humble Logo Monkey without Logo Pasha. Thank you.
From Benin City, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.